Sometimes in landscape photography, you spend a lot of time searching for, the right composition, the right light. And other times, the subject comes to you. Okay, it's not exactly landscape in this situation, but it is wildlife in nature. Lake. I think it's the Belly, it could be Waypoint, but it's definitely not Preacher's Point. It's a very beautiful sunset, a lot of great light. Primarily using my 16 to 35. Not too far from shore. Actually, there's some pretty much right on shore, but what's right beyond that's not that pretty. So I came out here, a lot of great shots. I'm going to keep shooting and see what else I can capture before the sun sets. On landing my drone here on Abraham Lake, I began to notice the reflections that and the unique perspective from this particular angle. So here's the first shot I took. This is with the Mavic Mini. As you can see, it's a nice perspective, interesting reflections. And then I took a second shot as well, just to try things out. And at this point, I took my camera, the Sony a7R III, got down real low. I was right on the ice with the lens, and this is the image I came away with. It is a focus stacked image, so it is sharp front to back. So I'm just going to walk you through this composition here. Now, what I am doing is taking a vertical, opposed to the horizontal, which is in the video. But what I have here is this really great leading line, and that just runs perfectly right into the mountain. And the photo you'll see here in a second, obviously that's, you can see the top of the mountain and a little bit of the sky. So key thing here is leading line right to the mountain, beautiful light on the mountain, clouds that are catching fire, as well as I am focus stacking and exposure blending. So this will be a bit of an edit, but I think it's going to be a great image, which you will see now. The sun is basically set. There's a great sunset shoot here. I think this is the belly spot. Great evening. Basically, I moved around trying to get a lot of different compositions. I've got one that's a really good minimalist one. I'll show you that one now. And then I got one that's complete opposite. So tell me which one you like. We like the minimalist one a little better, or the one that's the complete opposite with Bubble City.